Boom! At the open, all-time high for the S&P 500.
It's your boy Jimmy.
Now, what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil, doesn't make up half.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning I wanna turn on this Becky quick. While the average man looking at it's sad like she fine as yeah. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like yeah, 5'6". I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want a stock pick. I know that booty got dry, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-wops crossing. Rich with hot V's and pushing hot keys. Strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater. Batman pajamas, house slides, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounce. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thought, grow with the marijuana. Waking up with the fun, some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and stop. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETFs, making profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. Yeah. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call a short squeeze. You get the drop, she pull the trigger and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit them up with this resistance. Watch them roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, and knocked off. And I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them hands, make profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETF. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? Hey, make profits. Hey, Shug, Mike, what we doing? Hey, make profits. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? Hey, make profits. That TTG money gang, making profits. We some snipers.
Hey, you. What's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the first live stream of the new year. The first trading day of 2023. It is in the books, and it's a solid, big, green day for us inside of True Trading Group. A whole lot of really good trades actually going on today inside of the chat. Not just trading SPY options, but for me, guys, my big win today was in the small cap arena, as small caps are starting the new year off red hot. RSLS, that's where we banked it today, but there's a whole bunch of other small caps that are waking up. We haven't seen small caps really get wild and crazy for several months. It is a nice sign. Could it be some early foreshadowing of what is to come for 2023 if the small cap market is going to heat up like you had it today? You had several triple digit runners in the market today. Meanwhile, Tesla stock continues to crash, new 52-week lows. Stock was down 15% at the lows. Little bounce back at the end of the day. Where is the bottom for this stock is what everybody wants to know. You also lost Apple. Apple today, new 52-week lows. Can the market move higher without Apple and Tesla participating in that move? We're going to talk about it. We're going to break it all down here today for you guys on this live stream. I also have a huge announcement, and we're going to be giving away $5,000 right here on this live stream. So welcome, folks, to the True Trading Group live stream. My name is Michael Edward, former award-winning hedge fund trader, but now the current head trader at True Trading Group. If you guys don't know by now, TTG is the fastest growing and highest rated premium online educational platform that is available to the retail trader and investor today. So if you guys are ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you've come to the right place. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live right here for free, where myself, other TTG Pro trading moderators, and special guests drop golden nuggets and give you free lessons and analysis and trade ideas that can help you become better traders immediately. So make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on those notifications so that you never miss any of these streams. Dropping golden nuggets of education on a regular basis here. But why should you listen or care about anything that we have to say? Guys, I did not figure all this stuff out on my own in my mother's basement and figure out some special little secret. No, I began my career working at a fund in New York City, my first job out of college, where I went through a 3-month educational training program. That is where I learned how to become a trader, trained by professionals to trade as a professional. Did not figure out any little special secret or a special equation from trading in my mother's basement. Then 2008 happened, and that was the Great Recession. That was the stock market crash, the one that we all remember. But that's also the same year that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now, fast forward today, I'm the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group, and along with my team of 9 other professional trading moderators and an over 20-person staff, we've helped thousands of traders from all over the world, from all walks of life, from all experience levels, to learn, trade, and profit consistently. See, TTG is the fastest growing and highest rated premium platform because we combine university level trading and investing courses with premium stock market tools. We provide workshops and mentorship for stocks, options, crypto, and futures for all styles of trading, day trading, swing trading, and also, yes, even long-term investing. You see, we take that university level curriculum that I learned working at the fund, and we combine it with today's top financial tools that are worth well over $5,000 a year if you to go purchase them on your own. But these are the tools that successful traders use. If they use them, it's for damn good reason. It's because it gives them access to more information that helps them make better decisions, that increases their chances of success. If successful traders use them, then so should you. Problem is, it'll cost you around $5 to $6 grand if you go to purchase them on your own. We know that's a lot of money. So we spent years building relationships with these companies, Benzinga, TradingView, Trade Ideas, Quote Media, ETNA, so we can put these products on the True Trading Group platform at no additional cost to you. Right away, it saves you around $5,000 a year. You're also going to get access to the TTG members. Over 10,000 of the most educated, successful, helpful, supportive community of traders and investors you're ever going to find. And of course, you'll get all the real-time trade alerts from myself and the other pro traders at TTG that have been able to maintain a cumulative win rate amongst all of us together collectively of just around 80% now going on the last 2 years. So again, folks, if you're new to this channel, welcome. Make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, turn on your notifications. Like I said, you never want to miss out on any of the streams that we have here. So congrats, folks. If you guys are watching this live stream right now, you made it. You made it past 2022. You made it into 2023, right? There was no there was no World War III. The pandemic is over. The global economy has not collapsed, and you've not had the Lehman Brothers moment. Inflation has peaked. It's on its way down. Gas never reached $15 a gallon. Okay, and it's come down since its highs of 2022. All while the Fed's rate hikes are starting to slow down, and the jobs market still remains intact. In fact, I'm willing to bet that the vast majority of people that are on this live stream right now are probably employed and or have options to find a good paying job. I understand that there's extenuating circumstances for some people but that's why I said the vast majority, not all, not everyone. But the point here is that in 2022, a lot of people were sold a false bill of goods. You were told that the world was ending. And we're all still standing. We're all still here. The stock market's still open. This is why you guys never bet on the end of the world, because it only happens once. So to everybody that's on this live stream, I actually have one very specific question for you. And that is, are you ready for the year of the active opportunist? That is what I'm coining 2023, the year of the active opportunist. If you watch my live streams at the end of 2021 into 2022, I called 2022 the year of the active trader because I believed you were going to have a stock market crash. I believed that you were going to have tremendous volatility, and we did. It was the most volatile year in history. You've had more days in 2022 where the S&P was up or down by more than 2% than any other time in history. That's the definition of volatility. It also happens to be that volatility is a trader's best friend. Increased volatility equals increased opportunity. It equals bigger moves in the market, bigger moves in individual stocks in much shorter periods of time. That is exactly what we as active traders love. And when I say active, I don't mean you're sitting in front of a computer for hours upon hours every day. I just mean you're day trading or you're swing trading. You can be long one week, you can be short the next. You're not just passively investing for the long term. You're taking advantage of the active opportunities that this market presents to you day in and day out. But 2023 is going to be the year of the active opportunist. A little bit different from 2022. All right. 2022 was all about active trading with very few chances for long-term investing. As long as you were active in 2022, you guys were able to use that volatility, employ proper risk management. You had a fantastic chance to make money to balance out the decreases that you were experiencing in your long-term portfolios. But now in 2023, I think the biggest difference for 2023 is that you are going to have a real chance at generating real wealth for the long term in long-term portfolios with long-term investments, and only those that are actively participating in key opportunities while this level of volatility still exists are going to be able to gain those full benefits. That's why the 2023 I'm calling the year of the active opportunist. Opportunity is never presented to you on a silver platter when it comes to the stock market. Okay. Often actually periods of greatest opportunity in the market actually feels like a time of great distress. It does not feel like great opportunity at the time. That's how you know it's an opportunity, because when it feels the worst, that's when the opportunity is actually at its highest. You go back and look at any of the stock market crashes that you've ever experienced. Okay. If you were actually buying when it felt like it was at its worst, that actually ended up being very, very, very close to the bottom. You go look at 2020, you look at 2008, you look at 2001, 2002, all of the stock market crashes that you've experienced when it felt its worst, that was actually the best opportunity that people had. That's why opportunity in the market doesn't feel good. It's not supposed to feel good. If it felt good, it would be easy and everybody would do it. Okay. And you wouldn't need any type of professional guidance or education. You would just say, oh, it feels like opportunity. Let's go and buy some. Right. I mention this to all of you because I do believe that stock market's going to continue to crash in 2023. This crash, in my opinion, is going to have the potential to take us to new lows on the year. I think that the October lows in the market that were put in October, I believe those levels are going to break this year in 2023. 3 and take us down somewhere around that 330 area is kind of the zone that I am targeting in my long-term portfolio. Somewhere down in this region is where I'm looking for us to kind of find our way down into this region this year. And that, my friends, where I'm going to be deploying another large chunk of the long-term portfolio capital that I have sitting on the sidelines from when we sold at the end of 2021. It was very vocal and, very outspoken when I was selling in my long-term portfolio at the end of 2021. September and October of 2021 is actually when I was selling in my long-term portfolio right there. And that's actually the first time that I sold in 10 years. All right. And that was because we expected the stock market crash this year and I wanted to raise some cash and I wanted to take advantage of it. And we did so. And I'm very happy that we did because we sold some stocks at just insane prices. Some prices I'm thinking on some of these stocks you may never even see again. On some of those like crazy technology stocks that just went bonkers in 2021. But nonetheless, I bring it back. I digress. Does that mean that we're going to stop at 330 on the dime or on the button? Maybe we go to 320, maybe we go to 315, then bounce from there. I don't know where the exact bottom of the market lies this year. And I'm not going to pretend like I'm going to say the market's going to bottom this year at 328 and 13 cents. That's going to be the bottom of the spot. I don't know where the bottom of the spot is actually going to be, but that is the zone that I am looking for to be adding in my long-term portfolio. Okay. You don't want to try to pick the bottom anyway. Any professional that does this for a living will tell you that don't try to pick the exact bottom because you're never going to. I'm not good enough to do that. The professionals that manage billions of dollars in hedge funds are not good enough to do that. And certainly you are not good enough to do that either. So don't try to. Just get yourself in really good areas and really good zones. And that's what I think we're going to have the opportunity to do in 2023 as the market moves into a new state of normalcy. What you've seen over the last couple of years, the volatility you've seen is not normal. It's not normal for the SPY to move up or down 10 points in a single day. That volatility is not normal. It's not normal for a stock like Tesla with that size market cap to move 15% in a single day. It's just not normal to see that. Eventually, you'll return back to a state of normalcy after this bear market is over, which I do not believe it is over yet. But after every single bear market in history, what follows? A new bull market. Every single time throughout history. And I assure you that new bull market is coming. But this downward movement in the market that I believe happens here in 2023 is going to bring all the other stocks down with it. It's not going to feel good. The media is going to use this as a massive chance to cash in on your fear because the media makes money off of your attention, off your views, off your clicks. The media does not make money by you actually making money. And that's where True Trading Group differs from a lot of the media outlets that are out there. We have built our entire business on the success of members of True Trading Group. We don't make money by clicks. We don't make money by views. We don't make money by you reading or watching these videos. We make money by you joining True Trading Group, becoming better traders, making money, and then continuing to renew your membership with us like 78% of our entire membership base does. That's how True Trading Group makes money. And in order for us to do that, we have to provide you with real actionable information and education and analysis that can help you achieve your goal, which is what? Why are you all here? To make money. Why does anybody in the stock market? Obviously, to make money. And I'm happy to say that we are damn good at accomplishing and achieving that. My question for all of you right here on this live stream right now is I'd like for you to do this real quick. Type the number 1 in chat if your goal is to make millions of dollars in the stock market, whether it's trading or investing. If that's your goal, type the number 1 in chat right now. All right, who wouldn't want to make millions of dollars in the market? Type the number 1 in chat right now if your goal is to make millions of dollars in the stock market, whether it's trading or investing. Just go ahead and type the number 1 in chat. Look at all these number ones. A lot of people want to make millions in this market. Lots and lots and lots of number ones. Look at this. Look at these number ones that are coming through here. This is crazy. That is a ton of number one. People are like, one, of course. Yes, of course. No, I know. Here's my next question. How about this? Type the number 2 right now. If you already knew that the vast majority of people build general wealth and their millions of dollars during bear markets while the stock market crashes. Type the number 2 if you knew that that generational wealth is built during bear markets. If you knew that, type the number 2. Now let's pay attention to how many people type the number 2. All right, I'm seeing a lot of number 2s. Seeing a lot of number twos come. I know these are all members of True Trading Group because they know this, because they are prepared for this. They're prepared for this moment. We've been preparing members of True Trading Group all year for the moment that is 2023. We've been preparing them all year to learn and understand how to make money when stocks go down, how to short, how to buy put options. What about inverse ETFs? What are all these different ways that you're able to actually make money when stock markets go down? That's why members of True Trading Group are not scared of 2023. During bear markets and stock market crashes, that's actually where more millionaires are made. You make your money in a bear market. Investors just don't realize it at the time. Bull markets follow the bear market. And people tend to make more money in bear markets actively trading than they do in bull markets because stocks go down a lot faster than they go up. And the moves to the downside are far more severe. So the percentage moves in stocks when markets go down is usually higher than when stocks go up. Stocks, my saying in True Trading Group is bulls take the stairs, right? When you're trying to get somewhere, bulls take the stairs. When bears try to get somewhere, they just jump right out the window and just go right down to the floor, right? Stocks go down a lot faster than they go up. And that gives you a lot of opportunities from an active trading perspective to make much bigger percentage gains when stocks actually go down, if you're on the right side, which is shorting and buying put options and everything else. The other reason is because some of the best companies on planet Earth actually go on sale and go down into, discounted valuations and discounted prices so that retail investors actually have a chance to do what your objective in the market is, which is what? Buy low, sell high, right? That's what everybody always says when it comes to the stock market. You want to make money? Buy low and sell high. Well, it's tough to buy low when the stock market is already at an all-time high and valuations are the highest they've ever been in history in the S&P when you're looking at, the SPY and you're looking at what happened to individual stocks in 2021, right? Kind of hard to buy low if that's the case. Now, as you go into 2023 and everybody's talking about a recession, you're going to be able to get valuations reset. And those valuation resets are going to give you, as investors, opportunities to actually invest in your long-term portfolios at realistic valuations, at fair valuations, or sometimes even depressed valuations. That is where you make your money. Not by chasing some shiny object or chasing some meme stock or trying to find the mother of all short squeeze, right? You make your money in the long term and you build wealth for yourself and for your family by investing in some of the best companies on planet Earth when their stock prices are down. And that is exactly what 2023 is going to be able to provide us. Ultimately, 2023 game plan here, folks, in a nutshell, use the volatility while it still lasts to build up capital, learn how to buy puts, learn how to short, because I'm telling you now, the stock market's not done going down. We're going to use that volatility, right, to build that capital. And then that's going to prepare us to stash some of that cash away for the long-term portfolio investments that I believe are going to be happening around the middle to second half of 2023, if not possibly even sooner. When the opportunities arise, we're going to be ready. We're going to strike, and we're going to give ourselves and our families what I believe is going to be one of the best, most real chances of building long-term wealth, as everybody else is panicking over a recession. But I warn you now, it's not going to feel good. I'm telling you, when the buying opportunity presents itself, it is not going to feel good. At times, you're going to be afraid to invest. But remember, be greedy when others are fearful. Be fearful when others are greedy. Okay, because everyone's scared of this massive recession that I'm strong in my strong opinion, I do not believe is coming. Now, I did not say that I don't think a recession is coming. I believe it's going to be a mild to moderate recession. I do not believe it's going to be a severe recession. You're not going to have, you're not going to be standing on, soup lines and bread kitchens or soup kitchens and bread lines. I said it the opposite way. Unemployment's not going to go to 15%. You're not going to have a depression. I don't believe that's going to be the case. I believe it's going to be a regular run-of-the-mill recession. And the one constant that you've seen through every single recent recession, and I'm not counting 2020. 2020 doesn't count as a recent recession. But when you really look back at 2008 and 2009, and you look at 2001 and 2002, there is one very specific reoccurring pattern that you all see during all those recessions. I'll show it to you very, very quickly. In 2001, when the dot-com bubble burst, the stock market crashed in 2001. And then what happened in 2002? The stock market continued, made a brand new low, and it bottomed in 2002. And then the new bull market ensued. So the markets crashed in 2002. 2001, make a fresh new low early in 2002, bottom, and then recover going into the next couple of years. Fast forward to 2008, the exact same thing happened. The markets crashed in 2008 when the recession showed its face. You got follow through to the downside in 2009, and then the new bull market ensued. And I'm sitting here now telling you all today that I believe that in 2022, you had the markets cracked, people scared of the recession. Then you get the follow through to the downside in 2023. Then the market's bottom stabilize, and then the next bounce back to the upside ensues. I believe that price action is going to repeat itself, just like it showed itself in 2001, 2002, and like it showed itself in 2008 and 2009. And that, my friends, is why I believe that you are going to see a brand new low in this market in 2023. And when that happens, you better get your shopping list ready, because that is when I am going to be looking to be doing all of the buying in my long-term portfolio. The vast majority of members in True Trading Group, folks, they're not scared of 2023. They're making money. They're becoming better traders, and they are excited for 2023. These people show up. The time for them was not perfect. Their finances were not perfect. They took a chance on change, because if you don't change, then nothing changes. And as a result, those people are making money. They're becoming better traders. And don't take my word for it. I'll prove it to you. Members of TTG. If you're a member of True Trading Group, do me a favor right now. Type the $ in chat right now if you guys are making money and you're becoming better traders because of True Trading Group. Type the $ in chat right now. Literally, if you're making money becoming a better trader, type the $ in chat right now. Tell me if you guys are making money and becoming better traders. Now, anybody that's on here that's not a member, I know we have a lot of people on here that are not members. If you guys are not members, just try to count how many people are going to be typing the $ on this side of the screen. And I say try because I know that you're not going to be able to. These people are just like you. They're not smarter than you. They don't have more money than you. They don't have more time than you. They don't have more experience than you. What they have that you don't is just the True Trading Group platform, which is professional level of education, like what I learned working at the fund. $5,000 to $6,000 worth of professional level tools that can give you more information, help you make better decisions. And the part of a community of traders of about 10,500 people that genuinely give a damn whether you succeed or fail, and will be there with you to help you along the way. That's the only difference. Welcome to the first trading day of the year. And we started off with an absolute bang. Great day inside of chat today. I mean, between some of the other mods, trading some other large caps, between the mods trading SPY options today. I was on the small caps, RSLS. I mean, just a lot of activity today inside of chat, and a lot of variety. And that's really one of the main things of True Trading Group, is that it's not just me. 9 other professional traders in True Trading Group. Okay. 9 other professional traders in True Trading Group. We all have different styles, right? We all have different strategies. Okay. So important for you guys to get access and exposure to all the different types of styles and strategies that are out there and available, because just because something works for me does not necessarily mean that it's going to work for you. Just because you see somebody on YouTube makes 20 grand in a day does not mean you're going to be able to make 20 grand in a day doing what they're doing. Doesn't mean you're going to be even able to make $1,000 in a day doing what that person's doing. It all depends if the style and strategy works with you and what you do for a living and how much time you have to put towards this. That's why it's so important to have exposure to different trading styles and varieties. So welcome to the stream, folks. All right, we've got a great one here. It was a good day. I've got a huge announcement that we're going to be making today. I'm very excited about that. We're giving away $5,000 here on this live stream as well. But we've got some announcements that we are going to be getting into. All right, and I want to start off one of those big announcements by bringing on actually my business partner and co-founder of True Trading Group. He's going to help me actually go through this beginning part of our live stream. Everybody give a big warm AO to Adam, who's got his Clark Kent glasses on here today.
Nice. Do you know that Clark Kent is Superman?
No.
Oh, just you never know with Mike.
I didn't know that, man.
All right.
Yeah, well, the glasses is a really good, it's a good disguise, the glasses.
Thank you. Yes, that's my goal.
No, I meant for Clark Kent. Like I didn't know that he was Superman. It really changes his whole look.
This is definitely why people come to this live stream.
Yes.
Yep. So last night, for those that don't know, I had a 1-hour flight, and I promise this is relevant to this live stream, so I'll hurry up. I had a 1 hour flight from the Bahamas that was supposed to leave at 1 p.m. and arrive in Miami about an hour and 10 minutes later. Unfortunately, there was a big thing that happened yesterday in the world of aviation. And Florida, as a state, had a what do you call it? A national like a grounding.
It was like a radar blackout.
They had there was a big issue with like the radar, and the FAA grounded all flights coming in and out of Florida. So as a result of that, my 1 hour flight took till close to 1 a.m. To get home. And this morning when I got to the office, there was not enough time to switch over to the 2-pay system today. So, and it's crazy too, because as I'm saying this, I'm getting a message from Wall Street Journal on my phone that says Southwest is offering 25,000 frequent flyer points in addition to refunds, expense reimbursements for travelers affected by holiday meltdown. So, yep, they're listening. So anyways, point is that we have no choice but to extend it one more day. We do not have any laptops. Mike and I collectively have agreed to purchase some laptops for you guys just to keep it going for a day. But this is why it is being extended one day. Tomorrow, this will be switching over to our 2-pay system. We've spent a lot of time working it out from a back-end standpoint and everything. So we are fully committed to doing it. We are doing it. It's happening tomorrow. We just needed an extra day, and that's it. So I'm sure anybody that missed it last night is not going to be too upset. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So take advantage of it tonight if you can. If not, no worries. We will have our 2-pay system live tomorrow. Mike and I will do, I don't know. We'll do 15 laptops total between tonight and midnight. And then what I'll do is at midnight, I have to take down the checkout page, and I will not put it back on until the 2-pay system is done. Okay, so midnight tonight, the actual checkout page will come down, and when it goes back online, the 2-pay system will be there. And for those that are wondering what's a 2-pay system, our price is going to, the only change that we did make is that instead of going directly to 2,000, we want to go to 1,800. So people will pay $1,000 down, and then $900 6 months later.
That would be 1,900.
Oh, sorry. You know what I mean. 1,000 down, and then 800 6 months later.
Yeah.
So, this way the entry is still affordable. It gives you 6 months to come up with the other part of the payment, and it is well worth the price of admission. But when you sign up tonight, anytime before midnight, you will only pay $1,000, and then you're locking yourself into our old pricing structure, which is $1,000 for the entire year, based on this sale. There is no 2-pay system. You're grandfathered in. Mike will go over all of that right now, and then that's pretty much it. So I'll leave.
Yeah, guys, I'll tell you about it real quick before we get into all the announcements and stuff that we're going to be doing here on the live. Everyone, you are in luck for that because, like Adam said, the 2-pay system will be an $1,800 price point, which will be $1,000 up front, and then the $800 6 months later. So that allows us as a company to move the price of our membership up to where we feel that is a fair value, but it still allows that lower barrier to entry for someone that wants to get started with us. That starts tomorrow at midnight tonight. The entire checkout page for True Trading Group, which is ttgoffer.com, is going to come down. All right. And then once Adam has the whole 2-pay system set, he'll load it back up probably sometime tomorrow morning. And then you'll be doing that 2-pay system. Tonight until midnight, you will actually be able to do the old pricing system, which is just $1,000, and that's it for the whole year. You don't have to pay the $800 payment 6 months later. It's just $1,000 for the entire year, and we will purchase those laptops for you guys. We don't have any more from our wholesaler, but Adam and I will go out and just buy them at the regular retail price point for the next 15 people that do join here with us today. Again, you just go to ttgoffer.com. You'll enter the coupon code TTG121. You'll click apply code. The price will flash green. It'll drop to $1,000, and that's how you guys know that you're on that one pay system for the $1,000 price point. And as long as you see a laptop in your checkout cart, that is how you know that you are getting one. All right, as long as you see that laptop, we'll do it for the first 15 people. You get all of the courses and all of the tools. There are no upsells for courses in True Trading Group. There are no upsells for tools in True Trading Group. So that $1,000 membership, that's it for the whole year. You're grandfathering yourself in at that price point. So next year, the membership is $1,800, or this year rather, after tonight, the membership's $1,800. Will eventually move itself back to over $2,000. Will it be $1,000 and $1,000? It doesn't matter. When your membership comes time to renew, you'll only pay the $1,000 renewal price. That's it. And that's important because 78% of our members renew their membership. So that's why I'm pretty confident you're going to want to renew yours. So you'll save yourself an even bigger chunk of change next year when it comes time to renew your membership. You get access to the entire curriculum. It's a simplified version of what I learned working at the fund in New York. If Joe, you want to maybe post up the link, you guys can click on that link. You'll see for yourself all the courses that you're going to be getting access to that you're going to learn from. And then you're also going to get all the tools, $5,000 worth of tools. All this is included for $1,000. You don't pay $1 extra for any of it. Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed, Quote Media's full book level 2, Trading Views charts, the Trade Ideas scanner, ETNA simulator, let you trade stocks and options, and soon crypto and futures in that simulator, so you guys can practice implementing what you're learning before you risk your hard-earned cash. You get a trading journal, a social sentiment scanner, okay, insider buying, insider selling, dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow, all of this short data. It's all included when you guys pay the $1,000. But if you were to go pay for those products on your own, you're spending a minimum of $5,000 on the year. So right there, even if you don't follow any of our trade alerts, the value of just the tools for the $1,000 is unheard of. And that's where the value of the True Trading Group platform really comes into play, guys. So you'll go to ttgoffer.com. You'll enter the coupon code TTG121. You'll click apply code. The price will drop to $1,000. That's it. You're good to go. It's only good until midnight. After midnight, it'll be $1,800, $1,000 up front, $1,800 6 months later. Tonight until midnight, it's just $1,000. That's it. You don't have to enter your address to get that laptop. We'll send you a welcome email after you join. There'll be instructions in there how to claim the free laptop. We ship anywhere in the world. We also cover the shipping. It's totally free. Okay, that's available for the next 15 people that join here today. You're also going to be getting a one-on-one mentor session with any one of the True Trading Group moderators that you so choose, including myself or the others. You guys can select who it is that you want to do your one-on-one with. That's so we can make sure you get yourself started off on the right foot and you start 2023 on the right foot as well, and do one of those private mentor sessions with one of our professional trading mods. And lastly, before I forget, how could I? Anyone that joins True Trading Group will get a double your money back guarantee. I'm dead serious. Go through our courses, pass our quizzes, attend one study group. Do those three things. If you still can't make back $1,000 at least once during your membership, guys, I'm going to give you $2,000 back. That's the deal. That's the deal when you join True Trading Group. I can offer you that because I see the results that members have. We've only had to give a refund to 2.6% of our users, and 78%, like I said, renew their membership. We're 5-star rated on Trustpilot with nearly 2,000 reviews. So based on that, I can very confidently sit here and tell you that if you can't make back that $1,000 at least once, I'll give you back $2,000. You can keep the laptop too. That's the deal when you join True Trading Group. I will also extend this to all current trial members, previous trial members, and previous annual members. If you guys want this deal, before we switch to the 2-pay system at midnight, send a text message to the phone number at the bottom of your screen because we have to whitelist your email address. 786-505-4049. Again, 786-505-4049. Phone number's right down there at the bottom of your screen. Tonight will also be last night for the one-on-one mentor study group, the study session, not group, it's individual, just you and the moderator. Tonight's the last night for that. Once we switch to the 2-pay system, we will no longer be including the one-on-one mentor session with the professional trading mod at True Trading Group. So tonight's the last night for that. All right. So again, folks, ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code, click apply code, price drops to $1,000. That's it. You're good to go. You see a laptop. That's how you know you're getting one. You don't have to enter your address. You'll just fill out your info, check out, and you are good to go. All right. So there we have that. All right, guys. So again, don't hesitate to send us a text if you have any questions. 786-505-4049. Phone number's at the bottom of your screen. TTGoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. Take advantage. Tonight is the very last night at the $1,000 price point before we switch to the 2-pay system for $1,800. All right, guys. Let's roll this live stream on forward. And in order to do the next part of our live stream, I'm going to bring Adam back on to the live stream to help me make our very next major announcement. I told you guys we're jam-packed with this live stream today. We got a whole lot of stuff going on. So we got major announcement after $5,000 giveaway, after recap on the day, after how we're making money tomorrow. We got a lot to go over and talk about. So Adam, what's up, man? Help me through the next stage of this live stream.
Not a problem, but I just want to say first, we got to welcome Greg.
Welcome, Greg. It's my pleasure to have you part of the group. Greg, you're a smart guy. Greg's like, why the hell would I pay $1,800 if I can get it for $1,000 right now? Everybody welcome Greg. Greg is the newest member of the group, which means we're down to 14 spots. So the next 14 people that go to ttgoffer.com and enter the code TTG121, you will get the $1,000 price point before we switch to the 2-pay system for $1,800 at midnight. You will get the brand new free laptop. You will get a free one-on-one mentor session with one of our pro trading mods, and you will get a double your money back guarantee. Simply go to ttgoffer.com and enter the code TTG121. Click apply code. Check out. You're good to go. Welcome, Greg.
Excellent. All right, next. Let's go through this. Mike, do me a favor. Go through real quick and kind of give a literal 3 to 5 minute rundown of everyone's trading style with inside of True Trading Group.
Sure. Okay. We have a lot of different moderators in True Trading Group, folks. Okay. It's not just myself. So my style, I'm the most diverse trader of the group, meaning I trade literally everything. I trade small caps. I trade mid caps. I trade large caps. I'll trade SPY options. I'll day trade. I'll swing trade. I trade high volatility. Like I'll trade anything. Okay. So I am predominantly a day trader, a traditional day trader, which means my day trades last, several hours long. Okay. I'm not in and out. I'm not a scalper. I'm not in and out within 30 seconds or a minute.
Not 3 to 5 minutes per person, 3 to 5 minutes total.
What are you talking about?
Just kidding. Go ahead, Mike.
So yeah, I'm not a scalper. I'm not in and out within seconds or minutes. Okay. So my day trades will last typically several hours. And I also will swing trade, but I am predominantly a day trader. All right. Then you have Jessica, who you guys have probably seen a few times on this live stream. Jessica is a day trader that trades mid caps. Okay. So Jessica, traditional day trader, her day trades last several hours long, not a scalper. Day trades, AMD, Roblox, Block, PayPal, Meta, Tesla. Okay. Those are the type of stocks, Etsy, Snowflake. Those are the type of stocks that Jessica trades. Again, traditional day trader. Then you have the wolf, Jason Spadafora. Jason Spadafora implements what is called a trade a core, hold a core, option swing trading strategy, where Jason will buy a position. He'll take profits on some of it. He'll then buy and reload it back, take profits on some of it and then reload it back. And he'll hold on to his trade for anywhere between 2 to 3 weeks and continue to take some profit, buy back, take some profit, buy back, take some profit, buy back. And his trades will last anywhere from 2 to 3 weeks. That's Jason Spadafora, the wolf. He also trades from his phone. I'm dead serious. He trades from his phone. Okay. Now, a lot of people that work really busy full-time jobs, you probably relate. You guys maybe are trading on your phone. Good strategy there for you. Then you have, and Jason Spadafora likes low volatility options. Okay. Then you have Momin. Momin is in a very advanced option style of trading, where Momin likes to do multi-leg option swing trades, where he'll do credit spreads, debit spreads, strangles, straddles, iron condors, butterflies. Okay, that's Momin's type of trading style. Okay, an advanced multi-leg option strategy for swing trading. Then you have Chris Toner. Chris Toner's been trading options for over 20 years. Chris Toner likes cheap option contracts, like those less than $1 option contracts, like 50 cents, and then catches the move to like $1.50 or $2, gets that 300-400% gain. He will also sell options for premium for those people that are a little bit more advanced in options, and he's also a swing trader. Then you have Jason Simmons. Jason Simmons is the professor. He focuses mostly on small cap trading and commodities. Then you have Jay Downing. Jay Downing is a traditional swing trader that trades equities specifically. You have Geo, former market maker. Geo likes to and basically only trades SPY options, day trades SPY options, and implements a little bit more of a scalping strategy. And then you have Glenny. Glenny used to be a long time licensed financial professional, and Glenny is more of the longer term sector swing trade, where Glenny might say, hey, I'm bullish on the solar sector for the next month or two, and Glenny gets himself into a stock or multiple stocks in that sector, and he holds it for about a month or 2 months, that longer term type of swing trading. And those are the different trading moderators that we have at True Trading Group, and all their different styles.
Excellent. So one of the things is with True Trading Group is that out of all of those mods, the two mods that really focus on day trading are you and Jess. But you and Jess focus primarily, I know you trade everything, but primarily you're focusing on equities, and so is Jessica.
Yes.
So we have been on the hunt, so to speak, for a mod that can actively day trade options, right? That is their focus. That is what we got to welcome Maurice.
Maurice, welcome to the family. Glad to have you part of the group, guys. Guys, I'm telling you that I'm being dead serious here. If you have ever considered joining True Trading Group, take advantage of this. I mean, you're talking a huge difference between $1,000 or $1,800. Lock in the 1,000. You're locking that in for life. You can be a member for the next 5 years. Every year, you'll just pay $1,000 to be a member, and you get access to all of our courses, all of our tools, everything. You wait till after midnight.
Now, hold on. In fairness, there are things that you will pay extra for. For example, we have our Trader Palooza coming up. Whether you're an annual member, a lifetime member, or anything else, there is a cost for Trader Palooza. Trader Palooza is a 12-hour live workshop that we do one time per quarter. And it is at the most $125 to attend. I don't know what that is per hour. Mike, what is that per hour?
It's like $10 an hour.
Yeah. So it is probably one of the most, if not the most, educational experiences that you'll have with trading. We have had many of our members come out and say that it is the best thing that they've ever done. It is 12 one-hour live workshops on different topics, and the price ranges anywhere from like $50 to $125. It's one time per quarter. You don't have to attend it if you don't want. But we do charge extra for that because the mods deserve to be paid for that.
Yeah.
So, yes, all of our courses, and I just want to be totally transparent, all of our courses and all of our tools, you will never pay an extra dollar for. But something like a 12-hour all-day workshop that is live, that you get collateral material, that you get to actively participate in every day, for the whole day, from 8 in the morning till 8 at night, that is an extra.
Yeah.
But look, at the end of the day, if you didn't do that, you still get all the courses and all the tools and all the alerts, and there's no upsells for any of that stuff. All right. So anyways, I just wanted to be transparent about it. That's all. So I digress. I lost what I was saying. Were you saying something before?
Well, no, you were talking. I told everybody about the different trading styles for all the mods. You said we're looking for a mod that day trades
Yeah,
options.
so we're looking for a mod that day trades options primarily. Okay. And not that we don't day trade options, we do, but we wanted somebody that really just focuses on that. Okay. So, and also for those asking about the $5,000 giveaway, we will do it at the end of the stream, or will we? I'm not going to tell you when we're going to do it, but sure, maybe the end. I don't know. You can come back if you miss
or
it.
maybe in 5 minutes.
Right? Yeah, I don't know. But I'll tell you this: we have been all of the mods that we hired within True Trading Group. We have hired them from within. Meaning that they are members of True Trading Group. They were taught to trade by us. They have experienced success with us. That is what they have done.
Yep.
So
build from within.
Yeah, we build from within because what do bosses do, Mike?
Create other bosses.
Absolutely. That's what you do. Bosses turn their friends and family into bosses. Okay? So what we did is we have been watching a couple of our members very closely. And there was one member that we kept coming back to over and over again. And the other day, I reached out to this member just to confirm a couple things. Okay? First off, this member is a full-time day trader. 85 to 90% of the time, all of their trades are going to be day trades for options. 10 to 15% of the time, these intended day trades for options will turn into a swing trade. But 85 to 90% of the time, they are day trades. Within the last 6 months, they are maintaining an overall win rate of about 80%. They trade full-time. This person is also a military veteran, which I am extremely proud that this person is going to be a part of True Trading Group. I don't know what else to say. What else do you say, Mike?
One hell of a trader.
Yeah, very good. Had a huge day today too. I think I saw earlier today they had like 70% on some options trade today.
One hell of a trader.
Yeah. You want to bring them on? Bring her on. Bring them.
This
on?
is a trade, and I'll let this person kind of talk about their trading style a little bit further. But folks, from what I have gathered, and again, I'll let them talk about their style. This is someone that acts very decisively and very confidently. It's something that a lot of beginner traders struggle with, which is I see a level, stock gets to that level, and you hesitate. Trust in your analysis, trust in your levels, trust in your game plan. Pull the mother effing trigger. This moderator that you guys are we're going to introduce to you here now, will focus on large caps, but the options of those large caps, and has been very decisive and very confident with attacking stocks and attacking setups when it gets to the price zone that they are looking at. So that's something a lot of people struggle with. And this is going to be a moderator that literally went through the entire True Trading Group system, just like Jessica. You guys just saw Jessica. She hosted her very first live stream by herself just the other day. Props, kudos to her. But Jessica started out with True Trading Group about 2.5 years ago, knew nothing, has now blossomed into becoming a full-time day trader. All right. This member went through the entire True Trading Group system, now full-time day trader. If these people are not people that went through this Wall Street education and worked on Wall Street. These are people that are just like you. If they can learn this skill and they can excel at this level, so can you. And that's why it's always important for Adam and I to build out the moderators from within. Have people.
All right, you want to say the name?
Yes. Well, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. Say it. Welcome them.
All right. Shy Martin, welcome to the TTG Mod fam.
Heyo!
Yeah!
I'm in the back, like, whoo!
Yes. Woo!
What's going on? What's going on, fam? What's going on, everybody? I'm so honored to be here. I'm so honored to become a moderator. Man, let's get it. I am very excited for this opportunity and to be a part of your team. And man, Adam called me. I thought it was like a prank or something. I made him FaceTime me.
She did make me FaceTime from the airport.
Because he was like, I'm stuck in the Bahamas. This is Adam. I'm like, is this you trying to get a flight home? You know, like what's going on here? And he was like, no, I want you to come and be a moderator for us. I'm like, absolutely. You know, I love True Trading Group. I got all of my education from True Trading Group. Just fantastic. You know, just very, very, very fantastic.
So tell us a little bit about yourself. Like, you know, I know that you've been on another live stream, but for those that maybe don't know you too well, tell us a little bit about yourself, whatever you want to share, and then a little bit about your style of trading.
Sure. So number one, I'm a Braves fan, right? So let's start
I see
there.
that. I see that, Shy. I was like, oh.
All right. So let's start there. So actually, my brother got me into trading. I think I told the story before. It's my brother and my coworker. So my brother introduced me into cryptos. And when I first started, I had like a stash account. It's basically you just buy stocks and you hold them there. And he was really big into cryptos. And so he kind of got me into that. And then I had a coworker named Alex. I'm sure he's on this stream. I was his boss. So I was a director of IT and he worked for me. And I said, man, we were just talking. It was a late night doing some work in IT. And I said, I just want to make $1 million so I don't have to do this anymore. He said, have you ever heard of options trading? I said, well, my brother introduced me to the stock market a little bit, but not really. So understand this is only around 3 years ago. So I went from there to this in about 3 years. And he told me to go and watch some YouTube videos. I went and watched some YouTube videos, got caught up in the AMC thing, AMC GME kind of thing, got caught up in that. And I found Matt Kors. So, and then I joined his Discord. And one day I was just listening to him talk about, trading and stuff like that. He said, well, if there's only one group I would trust, and it's the people at True Trading Group. So I asked him questions and he sent like a YouTube link and I checked it out, joined the trial, got a veterans discount, and the education has been phenomenal. I don't know why we as people don't get the opportunity to learn from it. So I made enough money to, I have my own IT business as well. So I started that from some of Adam's stories and stuff, and made enough money to throw the deuces to my job, right? I think I sent the screenshot of when I made 100K from AMC, but it wasn't mine because I didn't take profit. And then I sent another screenshot, I think 6 months after that, and then I did take profit. So I was able to trade and pay off some vehicles, and now I'm here. So it's been a journey. I found my niche. I only like to do mid to large cap options trading. I don't focus on anything else. I don't get excited about the small caps that go from $2 to $2,500. I don't know why. That's just not my thing. And hey, if I can do it, you can do it. And it's important to me to become a moderator, precisely because number one, there are not a lot of women in this that do trading, and number two, there are not a lot of people of color that do it as well. And I just want to be a representation to say that, hey, if I can do it, you can do it. And really, I had no education. When I say none, I mean zero, ditch, none. And I took some classes, took the classes that Mike and True Trading Group offered, and got on the simulator and started practicing. Had some one-on-ones with Jessica, joined STR, got with 2% and everybody in there, and it's been a blessing ever since. was able to take my family to Panama City and get on a yacht, stay in the $2 million home for my birthday and my sister's birthday. You know, it's been life changing and life altering as well.
Is that thunder?
Yes, where I am, it's raining. It's raining pretty hard, right?
Oh my God.
So yeah, it's been nothing but good things, and my mental health is better because I'm not stressed out about work. And who would have thought, you know, my sister and I talk all the time, and I think I wrote this down. Like, I just want to trade, and, you know, I don't ever want to go back to a job. And that was my New Year's resolution. And he called me yesterday and said, hey, you know, let's do it. So I'm here. This is what we do. This is what I do. So my style of trading is, again, it's options trading. It's day trading options, mid cap, large caps. I'm normally in the weeklies, except I have like this rule on a Thursday. I normally go the next week out, all right? But it's still like a day trade. I'm not looking to swing trade unless this market has probably taught me a lot. So you really can't swing trade in this market. So I'm normally in and out, you know, throughout the day. If I make a good trade, then I'm normally done for the day. So that's my style of trading. I look forward to trading with you all. I'm not as, I guess, people go, I'm not super technical, right? I keep it simple, right? You got resistance, you got support. That's why I'm so decisive in my trading, right? Because if it hits my resistance, if I'm in and I want to buy puts and it hits my resistance and the volume looks good, I'm in, right? The Netflix trade today, 70% in 40 minutes, you know, and I was done. All right, I considered buying calls. I should have, but my risk to reward was kind of skewed because I got out at 288. It went to 290. I was thinking about buying calls, but VWAP was at 292, and then so I'm kind of at a 1-for-1. It's not really worth my time, and I just made a huge trade. It's hard to kind of switch back into calls after that. So yeah, so I was done for today.
Awesome.
That's awesome.
I'm so excited. I'm excited.
So I'm looking forward to trading with you all. I'm looking forward to being an STR with you all. I'm looking forward to this being my family. Like I said, this is people talk a lot about trading. You know, you get those Facebook, YouTube things. You know, you want to make $20,000 in 10 minutes. You know, like, no, I mean, it does take some. It takes some effort. It takes some time. My style of trading is very momentum based. So when I'm wrong, I'm out very quickly. So you will see that I may hop in a trade, and then if it's not going my way, I'm immediately out because the way that I trade is based solely on momentum. So if the momentum is going the other way, then I'm not a part of it anymore. But I've been STR tonight. We can talk more about different things. You all can pick my brain. And man, it is such an honor. It's like I've spoken into existence.
I love it.
That's awesome. And then I think Jessica is here also. She wanted to come on.
We don't have any audio for Jess. Jess, we can't hear you.
Now?
Yes, now we can.
I am so pumped for this, girl. Oh my gosh, when I heard it was you, I was like, yes, let's go. Let's go. Congratulations. I am so excited for this next chapter for you and just your growth. Like, I've talked to you in chat and like just seeing how far you've come on your journey. It's so cool to see you here now being a moderator.
Yeah,
so.
You know, a lot of charts and off topics in charting, you know, yes. Those one-on-one sessions to help me with my risk management. But ultimately, it's really the education. It's the education and the discipline that you just have to, TTG would give you the education. The discipline is something that is internal. And, you know, that's not something that TTG can give you. They can't show you the way. When you hit your price points, your price targets, you have to just be very decisive. And like on that Netflix trade today, Mike, if you want to pull that up, I can show them why they want to be so decisive and why I'm so decisive and why you have to be, if you're going to trade with me, you have to be extremely disciplined. Netflix opened up, popped up to 298, I think.
Yep.
I caught it at the double top around 290. I caught it when it broke VWAP and then tried to get back over 295.
Yep, right there.
All right. So I'm in. I put it out in chat. I was in at 545. So that was the price of it. I'm looking for 290, right? At 290, when I day trade, my style is different because I don't do like the 25% and then the 50% and then hold 25 because these are extremely volatile options. So as soon as I hit my first price target, I take 50% off the table right away. All right. So I'm looking for 290. It gets to 290, I take 50% off the table. Wow. Then I put in chat, I'm looking for a break of 290. My next price target would be around 288. The low of the day was 288.67.
Yep.
I called it at 930. So from 545 to 930, almost bottom ticked that. Right. And then I said, well, it looks like 290 is now becoming resistant. So I was still, now at this point, I'm only in 10% because I took a 50 and a 40. Right. Because this is I don't want to be in this all day. This is not a scalp, but the options move so volatile. I don't have a lot of theta is going to burn me up if I stay past noon. So I'm trying to just get in and get out. So it popped up to 290. I was still in 10%. It popped over 290. I'm out. Yep. And that was a trade. That was 40 minutes, 70%.
There it is, folks.
Yep, and that's it.
The entry, and then there's the takes. Just very nicely done.
And then, I contemplated over 290. I was looking because, trade line had been resistance. Now it was kind of becoming support. But again, that risk to reward, my stop loss would have to be at 288. Well, my stop loss would have to be, if I got in calls, 288. My first take would be at VWAP of 292. 290. It wasn't the right setup for me at that time when it came to risk to reward. Now I could have got back in, but I was done.
It's just 70% on 90% of your position. Get out of there.
It's the first day of the year, or the first day of the year.
Yeah, I got things I need to do. Elena was hitting me up, Adam was hitting me up. I made my trade, and I'm out. So most of the time, that's how my trades go. So, but let's say that it went back, I was wrong, and it got back over 295. At 296.50, I would have been out.
Right.
It wouldn't even got to 298 for me. At 296.50, I'm done.
That's awesome. I think it's really cool. Because look, it wasn't done. There wasn't like, we don't go and seek a specific type of person here. So we're not going to seek out somebody of a certain, ethnicity or a certain religion or a certain gender or a certain whatever. Like that's we go after certain types of traders to become mods of True Trading Group. It is extremely cool, in my opinion, that in an industry that is over 80% dominated by men, that there are a lot of really strong, excellent women traders, or just traders that happen to be women that are coming out of True Trading Group.
Yeah.
It's really, really impressive. And it's something really neat that, I have a daughter, and, not that this is like, anything, but, she had asked me, if she can sign up and play tackle football, right? And I looked everywhere because I didn't want to have the first conversation with her about like, hey, like that's not for, there just doesn't exist for girls, right? So I looked everywhere to try, and there really wasn't. There was nothing out there, for girls to do that. And I just think it's really, really neat that, I don't know, you either have to probably be a woman or have a daughter to understand, what I'm saying. But I think that it's cool, really cool, that this is taking place. And again, not because of gender, but because they are good traders.
Oh, yeah.
And I think that is really, really neat. So there you go.
We honestly have, and I really mean, when I talk about like True Trading Group, it's not just like the moderators, but just the members. We have such phenomenal traders that are just members, and our members are really willing and able to help people, You know, it's like the group is so open. The group is so helpful. The group is so, you know, willing to just lend a hand because, you know, everyone that is a successful trader, they all know where they all remember when they weren't. They all remember when they were struggling. They'll remember what they were going through, the hurdles they had to overcome. And they're so willing to just kind of help bring people along and show them, hey, this is what I did. This is what worked for me. And it's just watching the group grow has just been nothing short of incredible at True Trading Group. And we are going to continue to build out new moderators from within. I think it's very, very important that we continue to do that because, guys, I was fortunate. Okay, I'm, you know, nothing special about me. I just was lucky enough that I started my educational process on Wall Street. I didn't have to go and scour through YouTube videos and try to figure out who's legit and who's full of crap, right? I'm very, very lucky that that was the journey that I was able to go down. Not everybody is fortunate enough to do that. But it's very, very important that I always tell people, like, you don't need some like fancy Ivy League education or Wall Street experience in order to do this. And I think that it's a shame that in the educational system, there really isn't anything that teaches you about the stock market. It really isn't. But I'll be damned, I know what an isosceles triangle is because that's really helpful for me in my life. But learning about the stock market, you can't find it. This is one of the greatest equalizers. The market doesn't care about anything. The market doesn't care about your gender, your religion, doesn't care about your political views, doesn't care about anything. Doesn't care about where you came from, doesn't care about what sins you've done, doesn't care if you've lied, cheated, stole. It doesn't care. Everybody has the exact same opportunity to buy or sell the exact same stock. And if you can learn this material and you can learn this skill, it can be life-changing, as it was life-changing for Jessica and as it's been life-changing for Shai. And I think when people join to a trading group, yes, it's nice for you to get that professional like guidance, but I think it's even better to get guidance from your peers to be like, hey, I know exactly what you were going through. I was in the exact same position you were. If I can do it, so can you. And I don't think you girls realize, and this goes for Glennie, this goes for Gio, okay? You know, this goes for Momin. Like, we have other moderators, not just Jessica and Shai, that started out as annual members of True Trading Group first.
They all did.
Yeah. Well, not, you know, Chris Toner, Jay Downing, Jason Simmons. No.
Oh, yeah. Oh, they came with.
Right.
I mean, what really sold me on it was, like I said, I had been a part of some discords and I had joined some groups, and you kind of, trading is a lonely profession. I mean, being an entrepreneur is a lonely profession, right? And but when you STR, I don't know what you all intended STR to be, but it has blossomed into something that
it's not what we intended.
Now it's become way bigger than what we intended.
Full disclosure, we intended it to get rid of Lifetime and to make a profit on it. It's turned into something completely different.
Yeah, no, and I'll say, you know, Miss Green County, Miss Green Thumb, Uni, Chris Toner, The Wolf, Geo, 2%. I'm 2:00 in the morning on a Saturday morning because I had a losing trade, you know. And we're up just talking about it, you know, just literally. And it just turned into something that is so phenomenal. And I owe just as much as me being here, the impetus behind me being here is also the work that they put in to help me, to teach me, to guide me, to mold me, and to, you know, help me manage my own emotions. Right. So that's what STR has given to me. That's what True Trading Group has given to me, has given to my family, has given to just my community. And I just look forward to being able to give if I could give 2% of it back to True Trading Group, I'll be happy with that. But it has been
no doubt. I have no doubt, Shai, that you're going to give a lot more of it back. And, you know, from the first time we had you on the live stream, your personality just jumps right off the screen. and I think a lot of people are just going to be really excited to get to know you more, to learn from you. And this is also, you know, a big step to continue to develop your own trading and continue to grow, because no matter where we get in our trading, no matter how good we get, no matter how big we get, no matter how consistent we get, you never stop being a student of the market. You never stop learning. And it's a big step for you. It's a big step for True Trading Group and for the members. I'm excited. I'm excited. And every time I take a step back and I look at this community that we have created, And when I say we, I don't mean Adam and I. When I say we, I mean all 10,500 people that are part of this community. It's unbelievable. And that is why you're seeing so many people have success, because it's not like just,
real quick, we're getting backlogged. We need to welcome Jesse.
Okay, Jesse, welcome to the family, newest member of the group. Adam, what is that? 12?
And then we also need to welcome Sam.
And Sam. So Jesse and Sam, welcome to the family, which means
11 left total.
Okay, so there's 11 laptops left, 11 spots left before we switch to that two-pay system. But I'm telling you again, if you have ever considered joining True Trading Group, take advantage of this $1,000 price point with the free laptop and the one-on-one mentor session and the double your money back guarantee. You're switching to a two-pay system at midnight. It's going to be $1,000 and then $800 6 months later. Save that $800. Keep that money in your trading account.
No, bro. What are you doing? Yo, wait till tomorrow. Sleep on it. No, you deserve to take your time. Sleep on it. You know, don't let Mike put a FOMO in you. That's not right, bro.
Listen, I just want people to get access to this.
No, and they're going to be able to get access to it tomorrow. Just take your time.
I'm trying to take away all of your possible excuses. I mean, you have two people that are right here on this live stream that I got to welcome
Charles, 10 left.
And Charles, I got to welcome 10 left.
Listen, you guys can slow down now. Just wait.
What Charles is there?
I was going to ask you.
My brother. You don't have to. It better not be you.
Because I saw a comment from Charles Martin that said,
that's
like,
my brother.
This.
Yeah, that is my brother.
That's
it awesome. Is Charles Martin. He didn't need to do that.
No.
Charles, you don't get.
No.
All right, I'll take care of it.
Yeah, we'll take care of you.
Don't worry about it. We'll take care of it.
You should have texted me. You didn't have to do that.
We'll
take care of you.
Yeah, that's awesome. No, I love it. I love that. I love that so much. So,
well, I just wanted to say congratulations. I'm going to hop off the stream here in a second, but I wanted to say congratulations for those that are members. She is an amazing educator, as you can see when she went over her trade. And that's what I'm most excited for TTG and all of the members who like to trade options is she is very thorough in her explanations on her trades. So that's what I'm most excited for our group. And you're going to kill this. So I am so excited for your new journey with True Trading Group. And I just wanted to tell you personally. So
awesome.
All
right. Thank you, Jess.
See ya.
I'll see you tomorrow.
All right. Shai, thank you very, very much.
Thank you. Take care of my brother. I'm going to give him a call.
All right, cool.
So thank you all.
You're very welcome.
Congrats, Shai. I'll see you in chat.
We'll see you in chat tomorrow. Bye. So Dax Desai is asking, can we renew at 1,000 if we're existing members? Send a text message right now to 786-505-4049. 786. What did I say? 505-4049, and we'll see what we can do. All right. Now, let's do this real quick. Is it messed up that I have someone I want to win?
I mean, now you got people thinking that like you rig it and everything.
I don't rig it, bro. How can I rig it?
I know you don't, but when you say stuff like that, people start thinking.
We can't have a favorite?
Listen, I have members that I love. Like I have members that if they won, I'd be really happy more than others.
All right. Well, so here's what's going to happen. The wheel's going to spin. It's going to spin. All right.
What's that one area? It looks like it's just blue and all the rest.
I think that's Danielle Perinotti like 8 times in there. I don't know who that is. And then the other one is Sarah Shields. I'm not sure who they are. You know, but why not? Okay. All right, you ready?
Yeah, ready.
All right, so here's the deal. Whoever it lands on, okay, I just need to make sure that they are a fully what do you call it? That if they're an annual member, that they have not canceled. And if they are and that's it. Just need to make sure that if they're an annual member, they have not canceled.
Cool.
Okay.
Cool.
So and they have to go ahead and send us the 2 code words to the email address that was given in chat. All right.
All right.
You got 5 minutes once the name goes on the screen.
So this is just one person, $5,000.
One person, $5,000, man. It's gonna be a really good start to the new year for somebody.
I like it. Oh, this is exciting.
All right, you ready?
$5,000. It's a lot of money.
Yep. Here we go. You spin me right round. You can't hear the music. Right round like a. We're gonna get flagged for copyright.
I like you singing more.
Huh?
I like you singing more.
Thanks, man. Who is it?
Laura Lee!
I know this person. I really hope that this person is on the live stream right now.
Oh, Laura Lee! I hope he's here.
On the live stream.
I hope Laura Lee is here. Laura Lee, congratulations. I hope you're here.
This person has my personal cell phone number. If they find out that they won and they were not on the live stream, it's going to be a very sad night. Please be here.
Oh, I hope she is here. Laura Lee's been with us for a while.
Is she here?
I haven't seen her yet.
Oh,
she might be busy sending the email. Who knows?
Crap.
Laura Lee, congrats. People probably recognize that username too.
All right. Hey, Siri, set a timer for 5 minutes.
All right, Laura Lee, you've got 5 minutes.
Bro, you don't even know. Oh, come on.
Laura Lee, you got 5 minutes to send that email to claim your $5,000. She's going to be so pissed if she's not here.
She's going to be sad, dude.
Yeah, I'd be sad too.
There's a timer right now, guys, right here.
5 minutes. These are the rules. She has 5 minutes to send an email with the 2 code words.
Nothing. Oh, man. I don't think she's on.
You don't think so?
Nope.
I don't know. Well, we'll see. We got 5 minutes.
See how many new people are on here. If she doesn't answer in 5 minutes, we're gonna respin it.
All right, guys. How many people are on the live stream right now that are not members of True Trading? I know we have a ton of members here. If you're not a member, type TTG, please. Type TTG. If you are not a member of True Trading Group, if you're not a member and you're on this live stream, I want you to type TTG. Let's see. Charles Johnson, RS, Balls, Titan, Jorge Lopez, Robert Holder, Ron XRP, Liam,
Al Smart, George Lopez, Memphis Street Talk. Yeah, she's supposed to be on the live stream.
Super Show, Miguel. When will Shy start trading in main chat? She'll be in chat, but she'll actually start alerting the trades within about 2 weeks. We always want to give moderators time to get used to, it's very different when you have to talk on the microphone and tell everybody
Yeah.
what you're going to do before you actually execute the trade. And that sometimes takes a couple of days to get used to. So within the next 2 weeks.
I have a question. If you're not a member of True Trading Group and you want a chance to win $1,000 this week, go ahead and retype TTG in chat. If you're not a TTG member and you want a chance to win $1,000 this week, type TTG in chat right now. Again, not a member, want to have a chance to win $1,000 this week, type TTG in chat right now. Let's see what we get now. Look at that. That's a lot of TTGs.
Yes, that sure is.
All right. So here's what I'm going to do. If you have never been a trial member at True Trading Group before, type the number 2 if you've never been a trial member at True Trading Group. If you're not a member and you've never been a trial, type 2. If you're not a member and you've never been a trial, type 2.
All right. Ensam, Malsmart, Jorge, Bill, Chris, Titan, Smooth Operator, Ray, Supa, Braveheart, Aryan, Ron, HTG, Alan.
Okay. So here's what I'm going to do. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this is so sad. She's got 40 seconds left. You don't even know how bad she needs the money too, man.
No. That sucks.
I feel really bad.
Rules.
I know we're not going to make an exception. I just feel bad.
No, I mean, there's a lot of other people that are here
Of
right
course,
now
of
that
course,
could also really use the program.
Of course, I get it. We got to respin it. That's it.
Yep, we got to respin it.
Oh, fuck, man. Come on. All right. It is what it is. That stinks. Good for all you guys, though. I'm just checking my spam. I'm making sure nothing came in. Nothing came in. All right.
All right, we got to respin.
All right, but before we respin,
yeah, what were you saying about the non-members? What were you?
So if you're not a member, if you've never been a trial, and you're not a member of True Trading Group, and you want a chance to win $1,000 this week, what I'd like you to do is go to TTGTHREE.com. That's TTG3.com. All right. Once you are there, sign up for our trial. You'll enter your name, your email. You'll select, yes, I want this. It is a $3 trial. We charge $3 to make sure that you are a real person. That is it. When the trial is over, you do not get charged. You do not get charged any more money. Your trial simply expires and you are never, ever, ever charged again. If you want, the only way you would get charged again is if you manually have to re-enter your credit card information or your payment information and manually upgrade yourself. Okay? That is the only way that you would get charged anything more than $3 ever. This is a full 7 days of trading. That means you sign up today, you will have a full 7 days. Weekends and holidays do not count. So sign up today, you'll get a full 7 days of trading with us. You'll enter and fill out the application. The application is really simple. You fill it out. We want to make sure that the quality of people we're letting in the trial are basically a quality group of people. So most of you will have no issues being approved. It's all automatic. If you're not approved, no worries. You can try again another time. Okay. So yeah. And then what I'm going to do is at some point this week, anyone that signs up for a trial starting right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a raffle like this for our trial members. And I'm going to give away $1,000 this week to one of the trials.
We're starting 2023 off with a bunch of giveaways.
Yeah, why not? Give people a little bit of a head start.
I like it. So TTGTHREE.com. Yeah, give people head starts. I like that. So you guys would join the trial, right? There's no automatic renewal or anything like that, guys. No automatic upgrade. It's just $3. We do that just to make sure you're actually a real person when you sign up. We don't get, bombarded and spammed inside our chat. We try to obviously maintain the quality of the platform and the chat room. So just make sure you're a real person. That's all.
Also, I'm going to make this a little bit more interesting.
Oh.
Anyone that signs up for an annual membership, right?
Right.
From today till Thursday, because we'll do this on Friday, right? So
Okay.
sign up for the trial today, and then you have till what do you call it? Then on Friday we'll do $1,000 giveaway for the trials.
Okay.
If you want to sign up for a membership, instead of doing $1,000 giveaway, I will do a $2,000 giveaway for all new member signups only. So that means that on Friday, we will be giving away $3,000, $1,000 to one True Trading Group trial member, and then $2,000 to whoever in a small group of people, whoever signs up between today and Thursday. So there you go. Do you want to repeat that? Because maybe in my head it sounds complicated, but go ahead.
No, it's pretty straightforward. You sign up for the trial. We're going to do a giveaway for $1,000 for all trial members on Friday.
Mm-hmm.
If you sign up for an annual membership, then we're going to do a giveaway for $2,000 for brand new annual members that sign up between now and Friday.
Correct.
It's pretty straightforward.
Yeah. Why not?
Cool. I like giveaways. That's those are great odds, guys.
Yep.
Great odds.
So
you'll have, it'll be less than one in less than 100 people.
So there you go.
All right, that's exciting. All right, so then it's TTGTHREE.com to join the trial membership. That's TTG3 spelled out.com. And you also get the trial. I mean, you're not just doing that just to try to win $1,000. You get the 7-day trial, and the weekend and holidays don't count against the 7-day.
Don't just sign up to win $1,000.
Yeah, don't just sign up for a chance to win $1,000. Sign up and actually utilize.
I promise you, I will give plenty of opportunity for other giveaways. Don't just sign up to win $1,000. Yeah. We do these giveaways all the time.
Use the trial, experience what it's like to be a part of True Trading Group for 7 full trading days. Really utilize what you guys are signing up for, right? And then if you become an annual member, then you actually have a chance at $2,000 instead of $1,000. You're actually okay. So Adam, whoever joins the annual membership between now and Friday actually has a much higher likelihood or much higher chance of winning the 2K than they do a trial member winning the 1K.
Of course.
Yeah.
We're going to make $1,000 profit in the first. Now, here's the only thing. If you sign up as an annual member and you make the $2,000 and you win the $2,000 giveaway, your double money back is voided. So we're not going to also give you a double because we're giving essentially you're getting a free membership plus you're getting $1,000 cash.
Yeah, that makes sense. That's fair.
So just want to put that out there. I think that's fair enough.
Yeah, I think that's fair. I mean, I don't think anybody's got a problem. That makes sense to me.
Somebody will have a problem with it, but
somebody will. So you're like, oh, I knew it.
but we're being upfront about it, so you can't say they didn't know.
Oh, shams. I hate people sometimes.
It's okay.
All
right. So, let's spin again.
All right, guys, here we go.
Did we welcome Charles? Yes, we did. It was Charles Martin.
It was Shy's brother.
Yep. All right, let's spin again. You ready?
Good luck, everyone.
Here we go. Oh, man. Bill Collins says, do you still get the laptop if you do the trial membership? No, we're not going to have any left. T-Lab 1? I don't know who this is. Give me 1 second.
I don't know who that is. T-Lab 1? I've never seen that name before. T-Lab 1.
Hang on. I got to make sure that it's accurate.
Yeah, hold on. We got to check and make sure that this is a valid user.
Oh, my God.
What?
It's valid.
Okay. Why is
Hang on, but I think... Nope. They canceled.
So guys, all right. So they got to spin again then.
Yep, they canceled and their renewal failed 4 days ago. Damn. Let me just triple check that, but
well, but if they've canceled their auto renew, then they
yes, I'm just making sure they didn't renew early.
Oh, okay.
Hang on. Hang on.
We might be spinning again here, folks. Things are getting wild.
Yeah, no. Nope, not valid. Damn. Okay.
Bo goes, just spin until it lands on Bo. All right, we're spinning again. Here we go, guys.
Laura Lee
Why is it so hard to give away $5,000?
Laura Lee is gonna light my phone up tonight. I feel awful.
Yeah. Third time's a charm. Here we go. Danielle Perna. Oh.
All right, S Grove. I think this person is good, but let me check.
S Groves 33. S Groves 33. Are you here?
Yeah, they are, bro. But same situation. Hang on, let me check. Let me check. I don't know. Let me check. No, they are a lifetime member, a fully paid lifetime member.
Okay.
If they're here, they got it.
If they're here, they got it. All right. S Groves 33. The timer.
Hey, Siri, be a doll and set a timer for 5 minutes, would you?
All right. 5 minutes is on the clock. S Groves 33. You have 5 minutes to send an email with
I feel so bad.
words.
The other person apparently wasn't listening, but
what?
The other member that was not eligible for it.
What about him?
He just sent me a message like now, like, hey, I won. Here's it. Don't qualify.
Yeah, sorry. All right. Well, in the meantime, I'm going to recap my my win today. This is where I made my money, folks. RSLS was a beauty. Like I said, I hit the small caps today. And everything was really all about this $14 level. And I want to show you guys this $14 level. And if you remember, I don't know if anyone was on this live stream, and Adam, just cut me off when the 5 minutes are up or when you get the message from Escrow. I'll just talk about RSLS until, we got something there. So if you guys have been on my live streams last week, you remember we did a live stream last week where we talked about understanding volume and how volume is so crucial to short squeezes and momentum. And we talked about, you guys remember those lessons from the volume live streams? You guys remember that? Right? I know a lot of people were here for that live stream where we talked about volume. That exact lesson from that live stream is exactly, and let's go back to my charts now, guys. Yeah, thanks. Is the exact same lesson that brought us to this trade setup on RSLS. And I drew a line across this $14 area. When I go to the daily chart, I'm going to show you why this $14 level was so important. Here's $14 on the daily chart, right? Look at all this support at $14. Okay, you guys see this, right? Big level of support there at $14. Okay, so prior level of support, but then what else do you see? Look at this purple line. See that purple pink line? Folks, that's the 100-day moving average. Okay, so there's the 100-day moving average. That's why that $14 level was such a key level of resistance. So that's why we drew 14. Okay, that's why we drew. Oh, let me just go back. Let me delete this circle. It's coming up on me. But I'm going to leave this line here, right? The $14 level, the 100-day, and then all that support. And let's go intraday, right? Let's go intraday and let's pan over to it. So that's why we drew that level at $14. And you can see, look at the resistance that's coming into play. Okay, and then bang, you break through that resistance level. And look at the volume bar, right? Volume bar is the heaviest volume bar that you've had at any point during the trading session. If you were watching the live streams from previously, okay, Scotty G says, I sent you 2 emails, Adam. I don't know if that's S Grove, but Scott Grove, Scotty G, I assuming that is S Grove, says I sent you 2 emails if you want to check on that. So heaviest volume of the morning, breaking through the $14 resistance, and it actually caused a trading halt, right? So when the stock halted, I came on the microphone. I told members, I said, guys, I'm looking for a pullback back down into that $15 level. I'm going to try to be a buyer in front of 14. We'll stop it out down around 13. And that's exactly what happened here, right? We drew out Fibonacci levels right up into that halt price. Then you got the gap up out of the trading halt. You gapped up out of the trading halt, and then you got the pullback, and you pulled right down into my buying zone, right? My buying zone was right here, right? That's exactly what we said. The buying zone was going to be right down there around 15. The stop loss was going to be underneath that $14 level, and I'm buying that now because the heaviest volume of the day on the break. Look at the volume on the pullback. Very, very, very low volume on the pullback. Takes us right into the buying zone. We get long, and the thing just absolutely rips. From 15 all the way up to $20, and the thing just absolutely rips. And that's how we were able to just rip this small cap to shreds. And it was a hell of a lot of fun today, right? And the thing went all the way up towards 21. We got to a high of $20.63. The bulk of our position came off the table there on that extension through 19. Good for a 27% gain on the individual stock itself. And it all, again, goes back to the volume lesson that we covered, okay, on the live stream just last week. And that's how you're able to identify, okay? That's how you're able to identify that the stock has the momentum. And then you got the failed break, right? The failed break through the high. And you got to pay attention to these because this is just like this is a sign that the stock still has momentum. Okay, just like that with the volume break is a sign the stock has momentum. When you go to this is a sign the stock is running out of momentum. All right. So that's a sign the stock is running out of momentum. Okay. That's a sign you're running out of momentum. So I think it's a sign the stock is running out of momentum. You have a failed break through the high with lower volume, and that's a sign that you're running out of momentum. All right. And then I know we actually had, I see Fluffy, I just see you. Fluffy goes, yeah, I shorted it on that failed break. I know I did see you short it in chat, and that's the reason why, right? So that's a sign the stock has run out of momentum versus a sign that the stock has momentum, right? And these are way different. You'll learn all these different signals, guys. Okay. You'll learn all of these different signals. One signal tells you the stock has momentum. The other signal tells you the stock has run out of momentum. And you can play it both ways. Right? You can play it both ways. All right. So that was our.
All right. Hang on. I got to interrupt you. So there was a mistake that was made. The person that came up before Esgrove used a different email for their renewal. So they actually did won. That's Christopher Strunks. He did actually win. They used a different email for their renewal through PayPal credit than the email that they used to originally sign up with. So that person wins the 5,000. And because I am a nice person and I feel bad for Scott, I will give Scott $1,000.
Oh, that's all right. That's cool.
All right.
Yeah, we had Scott. Scott got his hopes up and everything. That's nice to give him $1,000 just for the screw up.
Yeah.
Well, Scott, sorry for getting the hopes up, but consolation prize. Consolation prize. That was nice. Very nice of you, Adam.
They both replied with the code in the time frame.
Okay.
With both code words.
So T-Lab actually won the $5,000.
Right. That's Scotty. That's Scotty or Scott.
No, Chris.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Chris Strunks.
Right. So T-Lab actually won the 5,000.
Right.
So okay.
So I will send 5,000 to Chris Strunks, and I will send $1,000 to the other person. Send 1,000 to Laura Lee. Kathleen, you can send 1,000 to her if you feel bad. So, all right, cool. All right, awesome. Thanks for your comment, Mike.
You're very welcome.
Yeah, of course. All right, cool. Excellent. Bye-bye.
All right, guys, and there you have it. All right, so congratulations to Chris, username T-Lab, and then Scotty, consolation prize for that $1,000. All right, guys, let's just roll on over to the SPY. We'll talk about what happened in the overall markets today, and then we'll wrap things up. What I'm looking at here, guys, with the SPY, what happened here today, markets actually looked pretty good right off the open, and then you got some PMI data. Bryce, I see Bryce. Send us a text message, Bryce. I see you're having an issue at the checkout page, Bryce. So, Bryce, do me a favor, but just send a text message to 786-505-4049. Again, 786-505-4049. Bryce, talking to you, man. Bryce, send us a text message, 786-505-4049, and we will help you out. And anybody else, if you guys are having trouble signing up or if you have questions about the membership, send that text message to that number, 786-505-4049. The number's at the bottom of your screen. So the market looked really good today off the open. Then your PMI numbers came out. They were a full percentage point lower than the prior month. Prior month was 47.2, came in at 46.2, and that completely reversed the sentiment in the market. And then the market just sold off the rest of the day after that number came out there at 9:45. After you revise the PMI numbers, and then the market's really weakened out. What you really have to start looking at now, and I know the chart is kind of messed up here because these weird after-hour prints. These prints are not real. These tails are not real. All right, they're not real, but you're still within this consolidation. And this has been a multi-week consolidation where the SPY has just been stuck in between this range. And you started to push up towards the top end of that range today, and then you got rejected early, and then you rolled it back down. Your support level down on this consolidation range is in the mid 370s, 375, 376. That's your level, your little consolidation, your bottom support for this consolidation level. And if that level breaks, you're looking at a move that easily takes you to 370, possibly 368, as you start off the year with a little bit of a pullback in the market if this channel breaks. This is a very clearly defined channel. And you've had a couple of instances previously where you've had very clearly defined channels. And when these clearly defined channels have broken, you've gotten follow through. All right. You've gotten follow through when these channels have clearly broken. So I really think you just have to continue to play this channel. You get into the high 380s, look for the puts. You get into the mid 370s, you look for the calls. You look to be long, relatively strong stocks in the 370s, in the mid 370s. You look to be short, relatively weak stocks in the high 380s. And you play that channel until that channel breaks. All right. You play that channel until it breaks. But if you get beneath 375, 376, you got a straight shot to 370. That's an easy $5 to $6 move to the downside. And I would look for that trade in the next 1 to 2 weeks. And then January 12th, right? January 12th, you're going to have the CPI data. I think that CPI data for December comes in under expectations. That maybe gives the market a little bit of a bounce. I would love if the SPY was able to get into this region for January 12th, because if you get into this region, you're at a key level of support. And if that number comes in light, you can get a bounce in the market off that level. But any bounce, I think, any significant bounce, I still believe is shortable. Okay, I still believe it's shortable. All right. So those are my thoughts, guys. That's regarding the overall markets. I did not trade the SPY today. Gio did. Gio's one of our mods that focuses on the SPY. He crushed it today on put options on the SPY when things really started to roll over. He actually nailed this entry point beautifully and caught that whole move to the downside. That was an absolute thing of beauty there on the SPY. All right. Okay, guys. So there we have it. That's kind of the outlook there on the SPY and the overall market. You also are formed a bit of a bear flag. I just want to show you
real quick. I just want to show to all the people that may not believe that we actually just sent $5,000 to someone. If you look at my screen, you will clearly see that we did.
Why did somebody say we didn't?
They always say that we don't. I'm just getting ahead of it this time.
Oh. And then that'll be the person. And then one day that person will win. Chris is on YouTube right now, actually. Chris Strunk is actually on YouTube.
Oh.
His name is Chris Strunk on YouTube. He's right there.
Oh, yeah. Chris, did we send you $5,000? If he says no, I'm disputing it.
No, he just said before, he's like, thank you so much, guys. I am TLab1 trucking taser in chat from Chris Strunk.
Yeah. No, we really give out money. We really give laptops. We really do what we say.
Yep.
So, Chris, if you're on here, just maybe verify that you got the money.
Yep, there you go. Thank you so much for the win, guys. I'm sorry there was a mix-up. I appreciate it so much. Sorry, Scott. Sorry, Scotty. Oh, don't throw the dig at Scott, Chris.
Scott's a good dude.
Nah, he is. Scott is a good dude.
I'll take care of Scott.
Yeah, Scotty G is a good dude, man. Yeah, like I said, we're gonna
that's wild. Y'all just gave 5 Gs like that. We've done a lot more. We spent all of 2019. Was it 2020?
It was November of 2020 to
all the way to the December of 2022. Oh no, to December of 2021.
Yeah.
We gave out $1 million over that period of time.
Yeah.
Probably well over $1 million, but like $1 million over that period of time.
Yeah. I was really proud of that.
Yeah, I was really proud of that too. It's a shame. If we got to like 100,000 subscribers in the next 10 minutes, I would do it again.
Yeah, it was, it was COVID. Everybody, some people were affected in other ways, during that time period. So we were happy to do it.
Yeah. It was pretty cool.
Yeah. All right, folks. Awesome. All right, guys. So back to the SPY. Like I said, you're also forming a bit of a bear flag, and that's what I really want to be watching for, right? So there's the flag pull to the downside, right? There's the flag consolidation, and then you would look for the breakdown out of the flag, and that would take you right into that support zone, right? And if you can stabilize in that support zone, and then if you get a lighter than expected CPI, then the market's bounce from there, and that could be a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. So that's something I've got my eyes on very, very closely here for the rest of this week to see if you break out of this consolidation flag, and then we'll take you down into 365 to 370 would be the level that I would look for us to kind of stabilize down there. Okay. All right. Nice. Tobias Chapman goes, you've just added 1 new sub. I'm in, guys. Excellent. Nice.
Now, Mike, remind them again the deal that I made them earlier in this stream.
Yeah, so guys, so here's how this is going down. You have, how many would we have left, Adam? 11?
10.
We're down to 10?
10 laptops?
Yes.
Yes, 10.
Okay, 10. All right, so guys, so there are 10 spots remaining for the one pay $1,000 price point. That's it. You pay $1,000 for the entire year. You get all of our courses and all of the tools. Okay. That $1,000 also comes with a free laptop, a one-on-one mentor session with a pro trader at True Trading Group, and a double your money back guarantee. So if you're not able to make the $1,000 back at least once, we're going to give you back $2,000 and you can keep the free laptop. There are 10 spots left for that offer. After midnight tonight, True Trading Group switches to a 2-pay system where the membership is going to be $1,800. You'll pay $1,000 when you join, and then the membership, you'll owe another $800 6 months later. That allows us to increase the value of the membership while also providing—
You got to welcome Bryce.
Oh, nice. While also providing the low barrier to entry, okay, for you to get started with us for just $1,000, but then you'll owe us $800 in 6 months, right? That starts tomorrow. Tonight, it's just $1,000. That's it. And you'll renew at $1,000. That's it. Doesn't matter next if we're for the rest of this year, we're $1,800 or $2,000. You'll only renew at the $1,000. That's it for the whole year when it comes time to renew your membership. So Bryce, welcome to the family. We narrowed down to just 9 of these laptops and 9 spots left for that one single lonely low price of $1,000 for the entire year. You get a free laptop with it, guys, but there's only 9 spots left. You'll know you're one of the 9 if you go to ttgoffer.com and you enter the coupon code TTG121. You click apply code. The price will drop to $1,000. And if you see a laptop in your checkout cart, that's how you know you're getting one. If you're watching this live stream later As long as you see a laptop, that's how you know you're one of the 9 spots. Once the 9 spots are filled and the transactions are complete, Adam is going to take down the TTGoffer.com website and he will post it back up live. So you're not going to
website, bro. What do you listen to what you say?
I don't know. He'll take down TTG.
I'm gonna take. I got it. Don't fix it.
We'll take down the page, and then tomorrow he'll load it back up once the 2-pay system is loaded.
Homeboy's killing it.
All right, you want? All right, I'll let you go ahead and explain the rest.
No. You're doing great.
What did I? Go ahead, explain.
I don't have anything else to explain.
Are you sure?
I mean, as long as you don't tell people we're taking the website down.
So the page of TTGoffer.com will be down, and then Adam
Guys,
will put
the checkout page for the annual membership is coming offline temporarily tonight at midnight. It will then, at some point tomorrow morning, be put back online for our 2-pay system. Our website will be very much online the entire time. So feel free to visit truetradinggroup.com. And don't be afraid to sign up for the trial. That's ttg3.com. That's ttgthree.com. Any trial that signs up between tonight and Thursday has a chance to win $1,000 on Friday. And anyone that takes advantage of the annual membership tonight through Thursday has a chance to win $2,000 on Friday. That's it.
You guys got all that? TTGoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code for the $1,000. TTGthree.com to join the trial. You'll have a shot at $1,000 if you join the trial on Friday. You'll have a shot at $1,000 on our live stream. We'll give away $1,000 to a trial member, and anyone that joins the annual membership between now and Friday will have a shot at $2,000 on Friday. Take advantage of Adam's giving mood.
I mean, you're gonna pay half of it. I mean, I make these deals, but I mean, we are one, man.
That is how it works. That is how it works.
It's 50-50, brother. So I mean, I make these deals, but I'm not paying for 100% of it. I don't get 100% of the profit.
Listen, I said to take advantage of Adam's givingness. That's all. Adam is just handing stuff out to start off 2023. I think maybe one of Adam's New Year's resolutions was just be more generous, I guess.
No, it's look, man, we had a very, very good year as a company in 2022. Okay. For those that don't know, I handle all things business related for True Trading Group. Mike is the trader, right? We had a great year in 2022. You know, it was one of those things where not just because of the money, but because our members had some of the best years they've ever had. We've been doing this a long time. We've been doing this since the end of 2016. And I have never seen a period of time where members did better than they did this year. I have not seen it or heard about it as often as I did this year, which to me at first did not make sense. But, you know, you trade, you learn how to employ proper risk management, and you learn how to make volatility your friend, and that's the end result. I mean, but this year was big for a lot of reasons, you know, and the reason was, you know, how many of our members did well this year or had a shot to do well, or how many people that were struggling began to improve. So it was a pretty awesome year for that. You know, and we also saw a lot of people that were able to make money, but also hold on to that money, which is great. So it was very good. And our retention rate was ridiculous. Our retention rate was 78%. I don't remember, or I don't know if that's going to hold. Just to be honest with everyone, that is for anyone in here that has had any experience with any sort of reoccurring revenue business. A 78 retention rate is really high.
Very.
Like, it's really, really high. As much as I would love to think that we're just going to stay at 78% forever, I don't know. Industry standard in online recurring revenue businesses, especially those that involve financial education, is very low. 30%, 40% year over year. It's like this big churn. So the fact that we have maintained a 78% retention rate, yeah, it says something to the product. All that stuff is true. I also think it's high. I think that, if we settled in the mid 60s or something like that, it would still be amazing.
That's still double the industry average.
Yeah, it would still be amazing.
Not to mention 35% of our members decided to become lifetime members as well.
Correct. And our refund rate has, very lucky that it has, or not lucky. It's not luck, but like very grateful that it has is the right word. But 2.83%. We just did it, right, Mike? We just calculated it for this year.
Yeah.
But it's even more than that. It's from like inception. Here, I'll tell you right here. 2.835% since inception of the company, or this past year, and 2.83 something percent since inception.
I've been saying 2.6. Things are really going south for us.
When you get more members, you're going to have.
I know, man. I'm just saying. I've been saying 2.6. So it's 2.8.
Well, it's 2.8 now this year, and then overall because of this year, it goes up. But anyways, 2.835%, which is absolutely fantastic.
Yeah.
So, that's how we tell how we are doing with our members. Is our retention rate high? Is our refund rate low? Is our overall, satisfaction within True Trading Group, is that good, right? We just got done doing we got to welcome Dominica.
Dominica, welcome. There's 8 now. Guys, these are going fast. You got 8 left.
Yeah, definitely don't worry about the FOMO from Mike. You're more than welcome to sign up tomorrow. The membership will still be here. Hell, I'll even give it to you for $900 down tomorrow. I'll give it to you $900 down. You won't have to pay me the other $900 for 6 months. So don't worry. Take your time, sleep on it. Don't worry about it. You don't need to be locked in, make a hasty decision this evening. It's totally fine.
Welcome to the family. I'm glad to have you here. 8 spots left for the laptop, the one-on-one, the $1,000 price point, guys. So go to ttgoffer.com, enter the coupon code TTG121, click apply code. As long as you see that laptop, that's how you know you're getting one. And don't forget, anyone that joins the annual membership between now and Friday is going to be eligible to possibly win $2,000 on Friday's live stream. We also have the trial membership, ttgthree.com. That is $3 one-time payment, no automatic renewal, no recurring payment. And any trial member that signs up, you'll have a shot at $1,000 on Friday's live stream. So it's going to be a lot of fun here for the rest of this week, starting off the first week of 2023 with a bang. And not just trading-wise, introducing a new mod, giving away a whole bunch of cash. It's a hell of a lot of fun here. I'm just excited to roll into 2023 the right way. So take advantage of it now, guys. Again, ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. Now, let me show you the actual platform itself. So
all right, and then I got to jump off. I have not seen my kids in about a week and a half. So I'm going to go home. And that's it.
Yep. Cool. All right. So guys, what I will do is I will show you the platform. So if you are not interested in the membership at all, you can sign off the live stream now. But before you go, make sure you subscribe to this channel. smash that like button, turn on your notifications. You'll never want to miss out on these live streams. If you are interested, let me show you what the platform actually looks like so you can see what your $1,000 is going to get you. You get all the courses, you get all the tools. Those two things will always be included in your annual membership. So let's show you what all this stuff looks like. You've got the chat room. The chat room is where the mods and I share our screen. We're live on the mic. We're calling out our trades. We're talking to you throughout the entire trading session, providing market commentary, answering questions. We're with you from pre-market all the way through until the market closes. We're not gone after an hour or two, and then you're left to fend for yourself. You can use our mobile app. The mobile app will let you see the screen share, listen to the audio, and get real-time push notifications when the moderators enter and exit trades. That way, even if you're not in front of your computer, you can follow along with what we're doing inside chat. That's how so many of our near 10,500 members, those of which do have a full-time job, that's how they're able to benefit from the platform still. You're also going to get 2 private study group sessions with a moderator of True Trading Group, and that's going to be just a chance for you to ask questions so we can really speed up that learning curve and get you started on the right foot. You're also going to get Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed, live breaking up to the second news alerts directly inside of our chat. This would cost you over $1,000 if you went to Benzinga directly. It is included with your membership when you join True Trading Group for just $1,000. You'll also get TradingView's charting system. This is $600 a year if you go to TradingView directly. It's included with your membership when you join True Trading Group. You're going to get the Trade Ideas scanner. That's a few $100 a year. It's the best scanner that's out there in the industry. This streams live on our platform each and every single day when you join True Trading Group. You're also going to be getting ETNA's simulator. ETNA is a simulator that is used in financial departments in some of the top universities around the country. Cal State University, Fullerton, University of Wisconsin, Whitewater, Berkeley Haas, Illinois Tech. They use this simulator. This will cost you just under $1,000 if you go to ETNA directly. It's included with your membership. You can trade stocks, options, and soon crypto and futures with this simulator. Prove you can make money. Please trade with the simulator first before you start risking your hard-earned cash. Prove you can make money on the sim. You'll also get access to our own proprietary scanner that lets you create custom scans. You get dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow. This is very expensive data, but gives you access to a lot of information. It can help you make better decisions. It is included with your membership when you join TTG. You get a trading journal that will track your trading, break it down to the numbers and statistics. You get a social sentiment scanner that will go over and show you what ticker symbols are being mentioned most on social media so you can stay ahead of the crowd. You also get analyst ratings on any stock you're interested in so you can see how many analysts have a buy, sell, or hold, what the short data is, if there's been insider buying or insider selling. This is all included when you guys join TTG. You get watch lists from the moderators each day, what stocks we're looking at, and what our game plan is and how we intend on trading them. Okay? This way you always know where to focus your attention. Then you have all the courses. The courses are a simplified version of what I learned working at the fund in New York. There's beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, futures. It's all there. There's no upsell for pro or VIP courses. You join TTG, you get access to every single course that we have. Then on top of the courses, there's a video library with about 400 hours worth of additional video content. These are workshops and webinars that we've conducted as moderators, covering a variety of different topics. And when you guys become full-time members, you can actually attend these workshops live. Now, it's time you invested in something real, folks. I can't guarantee you're going to be successful just because you joined True Trading Group. But what I can guarantee is that if you go through the courses, if you pass the quizzes, if you attend a study group, and do not make the $1,000 back at least once, I'll give you back $2,000. That's a deal that I'll make with you here right now. And if you're one of the next 8 people that join, you'll get a free laptop with your membership. You can keep the laptop, and I'll still give you back the $2,000. Just go to ttgoffer.com, enter the code TTG121, click apply code. As long as you see a laptop, that's how you know you're getting one. 8 left until midnight tonight. If you sign up for an annual membership between now and Friday, you have a shot at a $2,000 giveaway on Friday. If you sign up for the trial, you have a shot at a $1,000 giveaway on Friday. Join the trial. It's only $3. It's a one-time payment, no automatic upgrade, no automatic renewal. You get 7 full trading days. The weekend doesn't count. 7 full trading days to be part of the community and experience what it's like to trade with us on a daily basis. Join it. TTGTHREE.com. Just think, if you win the $1,000, use it to buy the membership. If you guys win the $1,000, if you're a trial member, use it to buy the membership. All right. So there you guys have it. TTGTHREE.com for the trial. TTGoffer.com to join the annual membership. Coupon code TTG121. If you have any questions at all about this membership, or you're having a hard time signing up, the coupon code's not working, whatever, send a text message to the number at the bottom of the screen, 786-505-4049. Thanks for joining me, folks. Welcome all of our new members. Welcome our new moderator, Shy Martin, new moderator at your trading group. I'm excited to have her part of the team. I know that TTG members are going to be excited as well. I'll see you guys all in chat tomorrow. It's a good way to start the year. Solid green day on the year. Let's keep that going tomorrow. Get your butts in chat. Subscribe to the channel. Smash that like button if you haven't done so already. I'll see you guys all tomorrow.